On this episode of Grassroots Garage, we have another beautiful Datsun. Travis's 1000 coupe is pure class. Super clean, a tidy engine bay, neat interior and a mean race car stance.
Oh, look at that, hucks it straight away. One turn. Welcome to Grassroots Garage. I've got Travis. Travis, thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Mate, tell us about your car.
69 Datsun 1000 coupe. So it's got a little A15, twin Webers, standard 4-speed, standard diff. Yeah, it's just a good little run around, good little cruiser.
Isn't it?
It's not a powerhouse, but yeah, it makes all the right noises. Sort of did a Mad Dat brake upgrade on the front of it, so it's got nice big rotors and calipers on the front, so there's not a lot of weight to it, so she pulls up pretty well.
Yeah.
I brought the car probably 2 years ago. Kind of wasn't looking for a car at the time. It popped up and a mate sort of sent me the link to it, so as you do, I went and had a look at it, and yeah, the next day it came home with me.
Yeah.
So yeah, sort of spent the next 10 months, stripped it down, gave it a paint job. It was red. Yeah, sort of just gave the engine a freshen up. It already had the little A15 in it, so I just gave that a bit of a tidy up. Sort of a little bit of port work. It's got a cam in it, very mild. Just yeah, nice cruisy little street car.
All right, give me. Let's go to the beginning. Give me some car history. Tell me about your first car.
First car was a Datsun 1600. I got that when I was 15 before I had my licence. I started my apprenticeship when I was 16 and sort of built the car up over about 3 years. Sort of ran out of money towards the end, got it all engineered, had an SR20 in it, kind of run out of money and then had to get rid of it, so I spent a lot on it and sold it for not much. And since then I've sort of been, I've had Geminis, Datsuns, 1200 coupe, 200B, a couple of other 1600s. So yeah, they've always been in the family.
And we checked out the yellow. Matt's got it at the moment. That was part of your Datsun collection at one time?
Yeah, I had that for about 3 years as well. That was pretty tired when we got it. We sort of spent a lot of time cleaning it up. Sort of respayed the engine bay. The outside of the car the paint came up okay, so we just sort of left it at that.
All right, I'm going to give you unlimited money. You just won lotto. Unlimited money. You've got a big garage. What does it look like? What do you got in there?
Well, I definitely have a 1600 in there. I'd love to have the set, sedan, wagon and coupe. Maybe a sedan as a race car.
Yeah.
Coupe, really nice street car. Wagon, family car.
All right, so what's next for the car?
I'd like to do a 5-speed conversion on it.
Yep.
I'm thinking the Toyota route. Maybe put like a ute diff in it. Mm-hmm. There's not much room under these, so the ute diff would have to be cut down to get it in there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'd like to do that.
Like a 1200 ute?
Yeah, 1200 ute
Is
diff.
there a tougher little diff, are they?
Yeah, they're pretty strong, so that'll handle the A series, no dramas.
Beautiful.
People put them behind CAs and whatnot, and they seem to hold up okay. So
nice.
Yeah, maybe just do that, ute diff, 5-speed, and probably some better front seats.
Yeah, these look beautiful the way they've been trimmed, but they're just not comfy.
They're just not. They're a bit high.
Yeah,
they're just
okay.
120Y seats.
Yep.
Basically, just we sort
Take
of
the headrests off. And
take the headrests off, bulked up the foam a bit on the outside edges. Yeah, but you just sit a bit high. There's not a lot of cabin room in this thing, so you need something to sit you down a bit lower.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's on the cards.
Nice.
Yeah, but that's about it for this thing, I think. I don't really want to go too much further than that. I think it's a nice, comfortable little daily.
Wow, I'm bloody beautiful, mate. The sound of that is friggin' cool, dude.
That's it for Grassroots Garage. Travis's beautiful little 1000 coupe. Travis, thanks for your time.
No worries, thank you.
Such a rad little car, eh?
Yeah.